So in the end, she told me I had weak social skills, and then she just got up and left right in the middle of the date.
Well, she's right. I mean, you have horrible social skills.
Well, yes, I know this, but economically, you should finish the wine and then leave.
Speaking of wine, I ate so much cheese last night. I have the worst farce today. It's disgusting.
Feel bad for your underwear. Yeah, don't, oh man, yeah. Chill with that, watch that ass.
Oh God.
Make sure you don't sneeze, burp, and fart at the same time.
Why?
It's an old Mayan prediction, you'll explode.
Explode?
No, it's true, man. It's a triangle of terror. I think it's Egyptian.
Bullshit.
Bro, I'm telling you, don't mess around.
Oh. Oh. Brian? Oh God. It exploded. Oh. I thought I was supposed to explode.